in any work that we do, tracking is very important in order to progress, right? And marketing is not an exception. In order to progress, we need to track our work, right? And today we are going to review the LeadsLeap link tracker. And the bright side is you can use it for free, right? So quickly here, this is a LeadsLeap platform. So if you are new here, LeadsLeap is a powerful marketing system where you can do your advertising, you can track your link. We'll see that very soon. You can build your email list, you can create landing pages, funnel builders, etc. Right? Very interesting. So for the link tracker, yeah, it's you see here. So you guys see on your left, you will see link tracker, right? And you click here, track links, right? And that's how it looks like. So by the way, LeadsLeap link tracker is so powerful that it detects bot clicks. So basically, you'll be safe when you are advertising your link through the link tracker. You'll be safe that all your clicks are going to be unique clicks. They're not going to be bot clicks, right? So which is really awesome. Then here you click on add new track links. You click on it, and I already copy my affiliate link. So you put your affiliate link here, and then you click on preview. So preview, basically when you click on preview, LeadsLeap will try to see if your affiliate link can be clocked, right? Clocked means your affiliate ID will be protected, right? Which is awesome, right? So your affiliate ID will be protected, right? So let's say, assuming the case where the information of your landing page doesn't appear on the preview page over here, yeah, you can still continue, right? It's still okay to continue. So the only thing that your affiliate ID won't be protected, right? Because there is some third party that still they are protected. Basically, what I mean by protected is they don't allow third-party software to clock to hide the affiliate ID, right? So, but whenever we can clock our affiliate ID, is very safe. Is very safe, to protect your work. So here I click on, I can see my website. Click on it, and then it's over here, right? It's over here, and then you edit so that I can put a proper name for me, right? So just I will put the name over here so that I know exactly what affiliate link it is, right? Okay, guys, so yeah, let's put something like this, right? So as you can see here, I can disable the clocking here, or I can do that if I want to, right? So, and the slug here is I can change it, because as a pro member you have the ability to change it to whatever you want here, right? But if you are not a pro member, it's also okay. You can still use your link over here, right? So let's see here. Then all I need to do is to save. Okay, to save it. So once it's saved, so my link are over here, right? So as a pro member, I can use my link to be a pro member. I mean, I can use my link here to copy, right? Or I can use the free version. Let's copy this one, the first one, right? And then I can go here and check, paste, enter, right? So, and that's how it looks like. And let's now check and see. I will refresh, and then here you see, here I can see this one is a start, right? When you see the start, so that's where you can see you see July 13. So, and then guys, the tracker track everything, you know, the country, you know, the unique clicks, you know. That's very powerful, guys. It's really powerful. So, you know, we can even track the source, you know, is that YouTube, is that you know, TikTok, or any traffic source. You can also do that. And what's powerful about the tracker, we can check to see again, you know, how much time, you know, your leads are on your page. You know, this is really powerful. Really powerful. There is a lot of data that you can check, right? And let's assume that you want to advertise your link. You know, you want to advertise your link. Let's say you want to advertise your link on, for example, Quora, for example, right, or something, you know, or Pinterest, something like that. You know, you see ad source here. You click on that, you'll see another page, and this is a affiliate link, and put slash, and you put the traffic source over here. You know, so that you will see exactly when there is click. You will see it just work, right? So let's see here. Let's put here, there is a slash, and I'll put let's put for example, safe list, for example, right? Safe list A, let's say, just for testing. And then I click on it, then I go back, right? I refresh. This is a link here. I'll go to start. So as you can see here, we show safe list A. So it's really powerful. It shows you exactly, you know, where your traffic is coming from, you know. So every time that you can measure, you improve, you know. So basically here, yeah, you can see how much time, you know, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, etc. And here, let's see, for example, okay, let me show you something, other one. Let's see, okay, let's check this one, for example. I go to start. So as you can see, you know, it gives you, you know, all those you know, it's a bar. The surfing time, 5 seconds. You see, guys, you can see, you know, those are the source over here, and I can see the country, right? So this is really powerful, right? And also you will see conversion A, conversion B. So those ones are very powerful, you know, especially if we are creating we are creating a landing page over here, a page builder, right? So basically we can just click on here, and we can see we can have our pixel code here, our LeadsLeap pixel code that we can insert on our page, right? So this is powerful when we are creating our landing page or page builder, so that we can see exactly if somebody put his email, he's on the thank you page, we can have one conversion, so we know for sure, so guys. So yeah, the LeadsLeap tracker is really great, right? So here we have under the link tracker, we have the rotator over here. So we click on a rotator. So basically all you need to do is to add a new rotator, right? When you add a new rotator, so basically what is a rotator? So basically you can add, let's say you have two links, right? So and you want to rotate those links equally, right? So and basically when you create your rotator name, then here you can add your track links. So in order for your rotator to work, you need first to click on track links and to add your links there. So if you add your links, then you can add your tracking links, right? And then yeah, you can decide whether you want your page to show 5 times or only 1 time, or this page only show 2 times and the other one 3 times, or equally, right? So you can do that as well. So let me know in the comments if you want me to explain more, to do another video. I will do that. So other than that, guys, don't forget to subscribe, right? To subscribe and share, especially if you have value with this video, guys. And if you have any questions, let me know, so I will do a special video for you guys. So take care and see you in the next video.